Welcome to CHANAN Academy. In today's class, we are going to discuss about simultaneous linear equation. For us to be able to understand simultaneous linear equation, we have to first understand what an equation is. Then we need to understand what a linear equation is. And then we can define what a simultaneous linear equation is. Okay, so now first let us explain what an equation is. An equation is a mathematical statement that shows that two expressions are equal, and it uses the equal sign. Suppose we have an expression x plus 7. Now this is an expression, and then we have another expression x plus 3. Now for us to compare that these two expressions are equal, we write it this way. It becomes x plus 7 equal x plus 3. Now this entire statement is called an equation. However, sometimes you can also have that x plus 5 is equal to 9. Now this also is an equation. Now take note, the x is the variable and the 5 and the 9 are constant. Okay, all right, so having known this, so now let us talk about what a linear equation is. Now a linear equation is an equation in which the highest power of the variable is 1. What that means is that some other times for equation we can have x squared plus 2 equal to 5. Now you can see that the variable x is having a power raised to 2. So this is not a linear equation. A linear equation, the highest power must be 1. So this type of equation is a linear equation, and this also is a linear equation because the variable has a power of 1. Each of the variable has 1. So if the power of the variable is greater than 1, it is not a linear equation. All right, so now let's go to the next one, which is the simultaneous linear equation. And this is our main focus for this video. The simultaneous linear equation. Now, if you look at the word simultaneous, it means that they are occurring at the same time or being considered at the same time. We can say that a simultaneous linear equation is an equation that contains same unknown variable and must be solved at the same time. Now, take note, they contain the same unknown variable and they must be solved at the same time. So let's take an example. Suppose we have x plus y equal to 3, and then we have another one, x plus 2y equal to 7. Now, if we are told that these two equations are simultaneous linear equation, what it tells us that for whatsoever value we have for x in this first equation and whatsoever value we have for y, when we impute that same value in this second equation, say y and then x, same value, the result is still going to give us 7. So we don't solve one equation ignoring the other. We must find the solution that satisfies both equations together. Now take note, if you have a plus y equals 7, and then we have b plus x equal 8. Now these two equations cannot be compared as a simultaneous equation because they do not contain similar variable. All right, so let's move to the method of solving this type of equation.